dark mode on Twitch. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to switch to dark theme on Twitch. Like this kind of content, we've got more related videos on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. It's easy to switch to dark mode. I'm on Twitch now. Click your profile picture at the top. You'll see options. Click the last one, Account Settings. In Account Settings, click the second option, Preferences. In Preferences, click the first option, App Theme. Click to switch from default to dark mode. That's all there is to it. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.